I spent over 65 hours testing Mailchimp, ActiveCampaign, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this Mailchimp versus ActiveCampaign comparison, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automations, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you.
Ease of use.
Both platforms are user-friendly, but with different levels of complexity.
Mailchimp has a clean interface and their tools are easy to use overall. The setup process is simple and they do a good job making sure you complete all steps when creating campaigns. However, navigation could be clearer since some functions are slightly hidden, like finding the automations builder takes some digging around. ActiveCampaign is pretty easy to use for such a feature-packed tool. The design is clean with helpful features like demo data and personal onboarding service. Their live chat button is available on every page. However, with so many features, it can feel overwhelming and beginners can feel lost when getting started. The platform can also feel slow sometimes, especially when loading big sections like automation workflows.
Both platforms offer solid drag and drop editors with different strengths.
Mailchimp's editor is fast and easy to use. You have all the main content blocks like images and social buttons, plus some unique blocks like surveys and products. ActiveCampaign's drag and drop editor works really well and feels user-friendly. You can save custom blocks to reuse and even see changes that others have made. You can build separate mobile versions and hide content when viewed on mobile devices. One handy feature is adding actions like adding tags or ending automation when contacts click on elements. A downside is there are only a handful of content blocks.
ActiveCampaign has the clear advantage in templates.
Mailchimp offers over 274 modern-looking templates that work well on all devices. You can upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand kit. However, you can't save and reuse individual content blocks. ActiveCampaign also has over 250 modern-looking email templates, and you can also upload HTML templates and save brand elements. The difference is you can save content blocks and reuse them across future emails. And the standout feature is their AI-powered brand kit that automatically pulls information from your website to create on-brand email templates.
Both platforms struggle with landing pages and forms, but ActiveCampaign is slightly better.
Mailchimp's landing page section is hard to find, offering only 9 plain-looking templates. The editor isn't flexible and there's no A/B testing for landing pages. The form builder is super basic with no templates and no A/B testing. ActiveCampaign's landing page editor provides a good selection of modern templates that can be hosted on your custom domain. On the professional plans and up, you can create personalized web experiences. However, the form builder is also basic with no templates, and users can't select multiple values in custom fields.
Both platforms tie in ease of use at 4 each, but excel in different ways that suit different user types.
Mailchimp offers great simplicity with a straightforward interface, perfect for beginners, while ActiveCampaign provides superior onboarding with demo data, personalized guidance, and advanced editor capabilities like AI-powered brand kit and mobile-specific email versions. The tie reflects that your choice depends on your needs. Choose Mailchimp for the simplest possible experience, or choose ActiveCampaign if you can handle slightly more complexity in exchange for more powerful tools and better setup guidance. Features.
Both platforms offer segmentation, but ActiveCampaign is more advanced.
Mailchimp offers decent segmentations, letting you combine filters like email client usage and engagement levels. You can add tags to organize contacts. However, each list is separate, making tasks like removing inactive contacts complicated. What's worse is Mailchimp charges you for unsubscribed and duplicate contacts. ActiveCampaign offer really good segmentation, letting you combine filters like website visits, email engagement, and purchases. You can add tags to organize contacts better. The segmentation is much more advanced and you're not charged for inactive contacts.
This is where ActiveCampaign completely dominates.
Mailchimp's automation features are pretty robust with over 100 templates, You can send follow-up emails based on opens, clicks, and abandoned carts. However, automation features aren't available on free or pay-as-you-go plans. You can't split test automations or trigger them from web page visits. ActiveCampaign's flowchart style marketing automation is unbeatable and really powerful. You can automate follow-up campaigns, calculate lead score, trigger abandoned carts, and lots more with over 100 triggers and actions. The downside is automations are very limited on their cheapest starter plan, and A/B testing automations are only available on the 2 highest plan as well.
Both platforms excel at integrations, but ActiveCampaign has more.
Mailchimp does a good job here with over 300 integrations available, from e-commerce like Shopify and WooCommerce to social media and website integrations. You would be hard-pressed to find an area not covered. ActiveCampaign takes it up a level by offering over 1,000 integration options, connecting with platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify, and the Zapier integration opens up hundreds of additional tools. The Stripe connection is also handy for accepting payments directly. Both platforms have excellent deliverability. Mailchimp has a 92.6% deliverability score, which is up there with the very best. ActiveCampaign has a 93.4% score, which is the highest from the test, so you don't have to worry about emails getting stuck in the spam folders. Both platforms offer complete reporting, with ActiveCampaign being a bit more advanced. Mailchimp's reporting features are complete, including email performance reports, Google Analytics integrations, revenue tracking, location tracking, click mapping, and social media reports. They let you exclude automated Apple Mail opens for more accurate data. ActiveCampaign allows reporting on pretty much everything: opens, page visits, geo-tracking, and more. E-commerce reports are also available on the highest tiered plans. The Bot Sense feature filters out bot clicks for more accurate engagement data, though it's only available for pro and enterprise users. Advanced reports are also only on the 2 most expensive plans.
ActiveCampaign dominates the features category with a score of 5 versus 3 for Mailchimp for having a much better capability across almost every area.
ActiveCampaign offers unmatched automation with over 100 triggers and actions versus Mailchimp's basic workflow. They also offer more integrations and better segmentation without charging for inactive contacts, higher deliverability, and more comprehensive reporting with Bot Sense filtering. While both platforms lack built-in monetization tools, ActiveCampaign's enterprise-level automation, advanced CRM features, and sophisticated segmentation capabilities make it the clear winner for businesses needing powerful email marketing functionalities.
Customer support. ActiveCampaign offers much better migration support.
Mailchimp offers migration service, but only if you sign up for their most expensive premium plan at $267 per month. They'll import audience lists and organize segments, but email templates and forms aren't included. Paying hundreds of dollars just for migration support feels steep to me. ActiveCampaign offers one of the most complete migration packages available. Even on their entry-level plan, you can migrate contacts, forms, landing pages, automations, and templates. They'll even migrate some elements on your behalf, which no one else does. The personalized support with direct account manager communication makes a big difference.
Both platforms have concerning Trustpilot ratings.
Mailchimp has a 3 rating with over 1,000 reviews, which isn't great. The main complaints are poor customer service and value for money due to recent pricing increases. ActiveCampaign has a 2.9 rating with over 1,000 reviews, which is also concerning. The main complaints are about hidden billing problems, slow and buggy software, and constant price increases. Many users feel trapped by confusing cancellation rules and unfair payment practices, so be careful with both companies for these issues.
ActiveCampaign provides better overall support quality.
Mailchimp does have a thorough knowledge base, but you only get live chat support on paid plans. Even then, live chat is quite slow. Phone support is only available on their most expensive plan as well. ActiveCampaign support is fast and friendly across all channels. Their knowledge base is in-depth and easy to search, with video tutorials and webinars. Live chat is available on all plans, but only Monday to Fridays for 20 hours and Sunday for 5 hours. No phone support is available.
ActiveCampaign wins customer support decisively at 4 versus 2.5,
despite both platforms having concerning Trustpilot ratings. ActiveCampaign offers comprehensive migration assistance on all plans, including contacts, forms, landing pages, automations, and templates, while Mailchimp only provides simple migration on their most expensive plan. ActiveCampaign also provides faster, more friendly support across all channels with better availability, while Mailchimp restricts live chat to paid plans and offers slow response time with phone support only on their most expensive tier. Pricing.
Mailchimp has a slight advantage in free offerings.
Mailchimp offers a free plan for up to 500 contacts, but it's really limited. Only 1,000 emails per month, no scheduling, and automation features are completely removed. ActiveCampaign offers a free trial, but no permanent free plan like many competitors offer. Both platforms are expensive, but ActiveCampaign offers better value for features. Mailchimp's paid plans are expensive compared to competitors.
The Essential plan starts at $75 per month for 5,000 contacts. Standard is $100 per month, and Premium jumps to a whopping $350 per month. As your list grows, prices increase dramatically. For 50,000 contacts, you'll pay $385 per month on their starter Essential plan.
ActiveCampaign's starter plan begins at $79 per month for 5,000 contacts, but it's limited in features. You'll need the Pro plan at $205 per month to utilize all features ActiveCampaign is known for. And for 50,000 contacts, you'll pay $969 per month on Pro, which is quite expensive.
ActiveCampaign wins pricing at 3 versus 2 for Mailchimp, but both platforms offer poor value compared to other alternatives.
Mailchimp has lower entry-level pricing and offers a free plan, while ActiveCampaign has no permanent free plan and requires the higher Pro plan to access their key features. However, Mailchimp's practice of charging for inactive and unsubscribed contacts can make it more expensive long-term, while ActiveCampaign's higher prices are justified by significantly more advanced features and enterprise-level capabilities.
ActiveCampaign is a clear overall winner here, with 4 out of 5 versus Mailchimp with a score of 3. While it costs more upfront, you get enterprise-level automation that is unbeatable, better support and migration assistance, superior segmentation, and more comprehensive capabilities. The advanced automations alone justifies the higher costs for businesses that need sophisticated email marketing. Mailchimp has become expensive while limiting features, making ActiveCampaign the better investment for businesses ready to take their email marketing seriously. So if you're ready to get started with ActiveCampaign, then I recommend watching this full ActiveCampaign tutorial next. But if you want a better alternative to Mailchimp, then this is my recommended option.